the answer for each of this. All right, for the first one, A. So 4 to the power of 2 power of 3 times 4 power of 5 divided by 4 to the power of 6 power of 2. So this one we can make it into 2 to 4 to the power of 2 times 3 then plus 5. This one will be 4, 2 times 6. So we change this as 6, 2 times 3, 6 plus 5 will be 11. This one will be 12. So this one took out, become less, this one become 1, this one becomes 0. So because it's minus 1, 11 minus 12, correct? So took out this one left 1, this one left 0. So become 4 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 1. And the answer will be 1 over 4. Oh. Can you understand? All right. Now for B. Okay, so 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 power of 3 divided by 2 times 3 power of 4, 5. So this one we can change it into 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 3 divided by 2, 1 times 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 times 5. So you will get 2 to the power of 9 times 3 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 20. So this one and this one took out, it becomes 14. This one become 1. Become 0, sorry. So this one minus 9 minus 5. So this one becomes 0. This one now become 4 after minus. So it become 2 to the power, this one is 3 power 0 is 1. 2 to the power of 4 divided by, this one is 1 times 3 to the power of 14. Okay?
Sure.
Yes.
The question A, the 4 power square.
Okay, sorry.
The 4 power square. Yeah, all that thing will change it into 1.
This one is 11. 11 I took out, 11 I took out, I simplify it again. Okay. All right. So now, check. Correct. 1 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 over 3 power of 14. Okay, good. So now let's see the third one. C. C will be 5 to the power of 2 power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 times 5 power of 4 power of 2. So this one we can change 5 to the power of 2 times 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3 times negative 2 multiplied by 4, 5 to the power of 4 times 2. So it will become, this one is 10, 5 power of 10 divided by, this one will be negative 2 become negative 6. 2 to the power of negative 6 multiplied by, this one should be 8. Okay, so this one becomes 0. This one will left 2. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 5. Okay, this one is negative. Negative means that we can change it into 5 power, or wait, this one we can change it to 5 power 2 divided by negative is 1 over, so it's 1 over 2 to the power of 6. So, okay, with this, this one is divide, so it become this one can move up. When this one move up, your fraction bottom become 1 only. So you can become like 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 5 power of 2. Okay? You understand how I get this? How I get this one like this? Because anything that you divide by 1 over 2, 1 over x, it will become, we can change it like a multiplier like this. You can change it into a times x. Okay? Okay, so let's continue. For D, it will be 3m squared n quadrant times mn cubed negative 2 divided by 9m3n5. E will be 2m squared n squared of negative 3 times 3mn squared of 4. Yeah, this one is 2. Not enough space. Okay, so I think I have to go down a bit. Okay, I can just use the cup another. It's like the 3m squared and 4 times mn cubed negative 2 divided by 9m cubed and 5. So this one we can, we can just like, first we make it like always this one, and 4 multiplied by mn cubed negative 2 divided by this one become, oh sorry, we should multiply this inside, so it become m negative 2 and 3 times negative 2 negative 6. Okay, so this one continue 9m cubed and 5. All right, then okay, number only this one, so 3 maintain. So m2 minus 2 plus minus 2, 2 minus 2. Then n to the power of 4 plus negative 6. So 4 minus 6 divided by 9 and 3 and 5. So this one and this one we simplify it, become 3. So you can become like 1 over 3 m 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 divide is minus 3, while n will be 4 minus 6, then minus 5. So your answer for this one should be 2 minus 2 kosong, negative 3, m power of negative 3. So 1 over negative 3 is 3, we put in, negative 3 is m power of 3 at the bottom. 4 minus 6 will be negative 2, minus 5, negative 7. So it's n power of 7. Okay. Okay, so let's continue for the E. 2m2 n2 holding -3 times 3m n2 power of 4 divided by 9m cubed n power of 2. So this one you will get, first we try to multiply this, we try to get this inside 2 to the power of -3, and then m2 times -3 will be -6, and 2 times -3, -6, multiply by 3 to the power of 4, then m4, m to the power of 1 times 4, so 4, n is 2 times 4, 8. Okay, then divide by 9 square, then m to the power of 6, okay, 3 times 2, and then n power of 2, because only 1 only. So from here, we took out this one, so 2 to the power of -3 times 3 to the power of 4. Then m is -6 plus 4. N will be, oh no, I get it wrong. We can actually make it together. So this one, we can divide by, this one is divided by 9 to the power of 2. Now then, m will be -6 plus 4 divide -6. Okay, then n can be -6 plus 8 minus 2. Okay, so for this one, you will get, where 3 to the power of 4, 9 power of 2. So this one should be, we can change it into 3 power of 2, then square. So this one, 3 power of 2 square is actually 3 to the power of 4. This one and this one can cancel out. So this one left 2 to the power of -3, which is 1 over 2 power of 3. This one will be, m is -6 plus 4 minus 6. Okay, minus 12 plus 4, which is -8. Okay, -8. Now, next, -6 plus 8 minus 2. This one is cosine. So n is cosine. So this one, 1 over 2 cube is 8, -8. So put here under m8. This one is this one n power of 0 is 1. So we doesn't need to write anything. So this should be the answer. 1 over 8 to the 8m power of 8. The
9 power of 2.
No,
that one is like,
I change it to 3 to the power of 2, power of 2. So 9, I change 9 into 3 power of 2. Make it, because this is 3 I try to simplify it. So after I become 2, it becomes 3 to the power of 4. So that's why here to here to here. Okay. Okay, not enough space, so I guess I have to. Okay, so this, for this one, F, it should be 4m square n4 power of 2, then divide by divided by 2 to the power of 2m power of -2 and holding power of 5 times 3m4n power of 2. All right, so let me check. Okay, now 4 can change into 2 to the power of 2, correct? So that's why this one I can change into 2 power of 2. 2 times 2, 4. M to the power of 2 times 2, 4. N to the power of 4 times 2, 8. Divide by, this one should be 2 to the power of 5. Okay. M to the power of -2 times 5, -10. Okay, then N to the power of 1 times 5. Okay, this one. Then multiply by 3 to the power of 2. M to the power of 4 times 2, 8. N power of 2. All right, so now for this one, you can like pop this one left 1. Okay, 4, 5 mark, correct? After I took out all 4 here, and then in 5 here, I took out left 1. So you can use, okay, this one and this one we took out. So 1 over 2 power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2, then m power of 4. 4 minus -10 plus 8. See here, -10 plus 8 whole thing. So minus whole thing. And then n power of 8 minus, okay, minus bracket 5 plus 2. Okay. All right. So 3 to the power of 2 will be 9. So 2 times 9 will be 18. 1 over 18. This one. M to the power of, okay, minus 10 plus 8 become minus 2. Correct? 4 minus minus 2 will be 4 plus 2. Correct? Minus minus become plus. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. N will be 8. This one first. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 minus 7 will be 1. So your answer shall be equals to M6N over 18. Okay? You get?
Why
Mm.
the last one? How do
Mm.
you change it to the body?
Where you got the balik?
The M6 and 1.
This one, when we multiply, right? This thing can be put on side. So 1 times M6N1 become M6N1.
Oh,
Okay, this one is like A over B multiplied by X. So it will become these two will join together. So it become A times X over B. Okay?
sir,
Mm.
can you go to question E? The one, yeah, that one. The 1 over 2 power of 3.
Because negative, negative means that 1 over, correct? So same goes here. So for this one, okay, when 1 over A times 1 over B, you will 1 over B. You will become 1 over AB. Because like 1 times 1, 1, A times B, AB. So like for this one, this one, because negative 8, this one we can indicate it as 1 over m to the power of 8. So 1 over 8 times 1 over m power of 8 will become 1 over 8 m8.
So they don't mind about the 2 power of 3.
Sorry?
The 2 power of 3?
2 to the power of 3, I change it into 8. If got number one, you must make it into the integer, cannot have the power. Okay, understand? Okay, okay. All right, so let's continue. I think, okay, so let's see for this one. First, before we start, okay, you must know that x power of a, okay, if we move to here, move this a to here, to the right hand side equals to y. So if you move this to the right hand side, it will become x equals to third a over y. Okay, so for example, when x power of 3 equals to 64, we move 3 power of 3 to the right hand side, it will become cube root, x equals to cube root 64, become 4. So in short, okay, it's like here. So when x square equals to 9, square move here, it will become third. Okay, what we call square root of 9 become 3. Okay, so these are the value that you must understand. When third x, we can say x power of 1 over 2. Cube root is power of 1 over 3. Quarter root is x power of 1 over 4. See? So 1 power of 1 over something is actually the root value. Okay, so for this one, x power of 3 is equal to 64, like I show you. So we move 3 to the left hand side. From left to right, it will become cube root. From power of 3, factor of 3, factor power of 3, become cube root. Okay, so cube root x power, x power of 3 like that. So we move to the right hand side, it becomes like this. So it's equals to 4. Okay, so now, like I said, you can also change it like this. From 2, move it to the right hand side, it becomes 1 over 2. So after we took out, it becomes 3. Okay, that means that like this one, 1 over 2, 3 is equal power of 2, 9 is 3 power of 2, so it's become 3 to the power of 2 times 1 over 2, so become 1. So this one x is 3. Like for this one, okay, it becomes cube root 64 from power of 3 to 1 over 3. So 1 over 3, 64 can be changed into 4 to the power of 4. Then, 4 to the power of 3, 4 to the power of 3. Then simplify, you get 4 power of 1. Okay, so this is how the formulas looks like. Third, x is x to the power of 1 over 2. Cube root x is x to the power of 1 over 3. So this is how the formula. Can you understand? Sure. Okay, so like for example, convert all this in the form of a power 1 over n. This one is 2 square, also 36 1 over 2. This one is 3 1 over 3. This one is 5 1 over 5. 7 1 over 7. Okay, like this one 1 over 5, so is penta root. Okay, third 5 1 2 5. This one we call it as third. This one we call this as third. Okay, so it's like 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4. Correct? So cube root third 4 is equals to 2. So in short, third x is equal to x1 over 2. Third 3x equals to x power of 1 over 3. So third x for x will be x to the power of 1 over x. Okay, so with this, you will get all this value. So calculate the value for this one. Okay. Okay, like for this one. Okay. 5 for negative 32. It can be changed as a negative 32, 1 over 5. So negative 32, we can make it like negative 2 power of 5. So 5, we can simplify left 1, so it becomes negative 2. Because anything power of 1 is that thing. Okay, 6 of 729, it becomes 1 over 6. So 3 to the power of 6 is equal to 729, and then 6 times 1 over 6 left 1, so it's 3. You understand? Up to now?
The negative 32 is changed to negative 2.
Yes, because you see, negative value, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. But negative 2 times negative 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So you see, when the power factor is falls within odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, right? Negative base still get negative. So that's why you can change into negative 2. Okay? Can I? All right, so try. Wait. All right, try these 3 questions. Okay? Done, huh? All right, so let's see the answer. So for the first one, so for A, cube root of 125, okay, will be, we can change it into 125 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay. All right. Now for the second one, B 287. So this one can be changed into 2187 power of 1 over 7. C negative 1024. You can change it into negative 1024 to the power of 1 power of 1 over 5. And D, this one is n to the power of 1 over 10. Okay, so this one pretty easy, huh? Now for question 2, A 4 to the power of 1 over 2, this one can change into third 4. No need 2. Okay. Then for B, 32 1 over 5, this one will be 32. Okay, then C, negative 729 1 over 3, it will become 3 third negative 729. While D, n to the power of this one is 15, is it? Negative 1 over 15.
And
1 over 15. So this one should be 15 and okay. Correct. So now let's continue with question 3. Let's go to question 3. So for A, cube root of 343. This one, this 343 can change into 343. No, it should be cube root so this one should be 7 power of 3 times 1 over 3. So you should get 7. But if you use calculator, you can get the answer. Okay, B. This one, 5, negative 7, 7, 7, 6. You can change it into, this one should be negative 6 power of 5. Then power of times 1 over 5. So you get negative 6. C. 262144 power of 1 over. Hmm? You use negative 6 power of 5. You will get negative 7776. Okay, so this one, but they are using, I think it's 8 power of 6 and then 1 over 6. So you should get 8. Correct? Yeah. And the negative 32768 power of 1 over 5. So this one I think is also negative 8 power of 5, 1 over 5. So after we took out, so it becomes negative 8. Okay? Done, huh? Wait. Okay, huh? So all right, so let's see the other way around. So you see, a power of mn is a power of m power of n. So third n a power of 1. So this one will be a power of 1 over, and this one we already show you. All right, so now, so this is the formula. So when a power of m over n is like a power of m multiplied by 1 over n. So m move upward, so it becomes this, and this can be the value also. So a power of 1 over n m. A to the power of m over n should be third n a power of m. Okay, or you can say third n a holding power of m as well. Okay, so this is the formula. All right, so let's see the conversion. Okay, now for this one, 81 3 to the power of 2. So you can change it into 81 3 1 over 2 or 81 1 over 2 3. Okay, now for this one, 27 2 over 3, you can change the 7 squared multiply by 1 over 3 or 27 1 over 3 factor 2. H 3 over 5 is H3 1 over 5 or H1 over 5 3. So same goes to this one as well. It was in the form of this one. So 3 4 3. So 2 power of 3 you can change it into 1 is 2, 1 is 1 over 3. So it's 3 3 4 3 power of 2. Or we put the 2 inside also can. Okay, so same goes to this one, and this one should be pretty easy. Okay, so I didn't go too much. All right, so try. Okay, try this one. All right, try this one. Done. Yeah. Done. Huh? All right. So let's see the answer. Okay. All right. For this one, you can make it like 5/6, right? So this one should be 629 power of 5, 1/6. 729, 1/6 power of 5, or 6/729 power of 5, or 6/729 power of 5. So, okay. All right. So the remaining answer I will just provide to you. Wait, and you please check. So the remaining answer should be looks like this. So this is your okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So 121. This one is 3 is M, 2 is M. So you just follow this one and put it in. So do you do it correctly? Please check. Okay. Okay, huh? Done, huh? Correct, huh? All right, so let's see the next one. All right, now let's see this. So calculate the value for each of the following. So now 9 to the power of 5 over 2. So you can use, normally if according to what I do, I will always like 3 to the power of 2, make it 3 to the power of 2, and then I just simplify it, become 3 power of 5, become 243. Or you can use third, because 1 over 2 is third, third 9 power of 5 divide by, and then this 9 power of 5 change into third 590,289, 59049, sorry, because then you change it into 243. Normally, I will prefer you to use the top method if possible. Like this one, 16, you can change it into 2 to the power of 4. So you minus out each other, you will get 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Because why I recommend you to do simplification instead of this one? Because this one, if you press wrong one number, okay, you might not able to get this one correct. Okay, understand? See how I do is 16, I change it into 2 to the power of 4. So that's why you must be very familiar to the power factor value. Like 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. You must be very familiar. Okay. All right. So try, let me check. Calculate the value for this one. Let me check first. How about you try to do these three, these four, and these two. Okay?
So,
Yes.
can you show the example before this? Yeah,
Which one? This one. How I get this? It's like I said, so this one, okay, 5 over 2. So we can change it into 9. 9, I can shift it into 3 to the power of 2, 5 over 2. So simplify. So you get 3 to the power of 5, which is 243. This is how. Normally, the questions will allow you to change into, like, for example, a x over y, right? Normally, it will be able to let you to do like b to the power of y, x over y. Normally, you were able to get this. Normally, so if you are using calculator, right? You don't know the value, you have to use your calculator. You just need to press this one. I think there's something like this for your calculator. Okay? Can I? All right. So try to do this. You already get a textbook? Okay. All right, this one, you try to jot down. This one will be your assignment. So next week we discuss. Next class, okay? All right, so I guess I'll stop here for today. See you. Bye-bye.